Drones have evolved far beyond simple flying cameras. Today, they are high-speed racers, cargo transporters, firefighting machines, and life-saving responders. China now leads this aerial revolution with advanced autonomous drones that combine precision, endurance, and cutting-edge AI for complex real-world tasks. As China pushes innovation forward, the United States faces growing pressure to accelerate its own drone development to avoid falling behind. The sky is no longer the limit. It's the new front line. Developed in China by KTV Working Drone Technology, the KTV Working Drone transforms dangerous urban maintenance into a remote-controlled task. Designed for cleaning skyscraper facades and glass surfaces, this industrial unmanned aerial vehicle connects to a rooftop anchor and operates with a retractable telescopic arm. Equipped with a powerful 200-bar water jet system, it can clean up to 1,500 square meters per hour. Built for rugged weather, it functions in temperatures from minus 20 degrees Celsius to plus 50 degrees Celsius and winds up to 15 meters per second. It's remotely piloted via real-time video links and telemetry data with artificial intelligence-powered vision modules, aiding edge detection and alignment. By eliminating the need for rope access or scaffolding, it boosts both safety and efficiency. Demonstrations in Chinese cities like Shenzhen and Guangzhou showcased its effectiveness on towers over 150 meters tall. With growing urbanization, such drones could become essential for building maintenance across Asia and beyond. The KTV Working Drone reflects a new trend in China's robotics industry: practical automation for niche, high-risk tasks in daily city life. Produced by Baykar, a leading Turkish defense company, the Command Cache is a precision loitering munition designed for high-speed, surgical strikes. The drone has a 1.25-meter wingspan and weighs around 35 kilograms, including a 6-kilogram warhead. Powered by a miniature turbojet, it flies at speeds near 720 kilometers per hour, approximately Mach 0.7, and covers distances exceeding 200 kilometers. The Command Cache uses global positioning system, inertial navigation, and artificial intelligence-driven vision systems to autonomously identify and lock onto targets mid-flight. Its small size and low radar signature allow it to bypass air defense systems. Compatible with Bayraktar TB2 and Kızılelma unmanned combat aerial vehicles, it provides a flexible strike option without risking large assets. During field trials, the system successfully hit dynamic targets from long distances with high precision. Turkish engineers developed it to perform deep penetration missions with minimal collateral damage. Baykar positions it as a reusable, tactical tool for modern warfare scenarios requiring speed, stealth, and autonomy. The Chinese company Ehang has repurposed its air taxi into a dedicated firefighting drone. Ehang introduced a firefighting multicopter based on its passenger air taxi. The developers propose using this multicopter mainly for high-rise fires, where deploying a firefighting team using conventional methods is difficult and time-consuming. The drone is equipped with a 150-liter tank filled with fire-extinguishing foam and a long water cannon. Above the cabin, there's a launcher for fire-suppressing bombs, armed with 6 charges. These bombs are launched at high speeds, with sharp, hardened tips capable of breaking through windows. The drone features a laser target designator and a camera for aiming. It's designed for semi-autonomous operation. It can fly independently from the fire station to the fire site, but the extinguishing process is controlled by an operator. Ehang claims the drone can extinguish fires in skyscrapers up to 600 meters tall, within a 5-kilometer radius from the station. During a presentation in Yunfu, the company demonstrated the drone extinguishing a fire on the penultimate floor of a 10-story building. Airbound, developed in the United States by a private aerospace startup, introduces a flexible vertical takeoff and landing drone built for long-range delivery and environmental operations. This fixed-wing hybrid offers vertical takeoff and efficient cruising, ideal for disaster response, medical logistics, or precision agriculture. It supports up to 3 kilograms of payload and can fly up to 3 hours on a single charge. The modular bay beneath the fuselage can house light detection and ranging sensors, thermal sensors, or environmental probes. Airbound uses artificial intelligence-assisted navigation to optimize flight routes in real time, adapting to terrain and weather conditions. Its autonomous capabilities allow it to operate beyond visual line of sight, with regulatory compliance in the United States. Tested across mountain regions in the year 2024, it successfully delivered lab samples and emergency equipment to remote clinics. A cloud-based control platform allows live tracking, diagnostics, and mission adjustments mid-flight. It stands out for its endurance, modular design, and ability to meet the evolving needs of aerial logistics. Made by DJI, the world's largest drone manufacturer based in Shenzhen, the Matrice 400 is their most advanced enterprise-grade unmanned aerial vehicle. Built for inspections, mapping, and public safety, it supports up to 6 kilograms of payload, ideal for dual-sensor configurations. With the O4 Enterprise system, it maintains stable video transmission across distances up to 40 kilometers. Obstacle avoidance is ensured with 6 directional sensors, fisheye cameras, and onboard radar. A single battery provides up to 59 minutes of flight under optimal load. IP55 protection lets it operate during light rain and in dusty environments. The Matrice 400 also introduces an ePort interface, allowing developers to integrate custom payloads or third-party modules. It has already been tested in infrastructure monitoring and emergency response missions across Asia and Europe. DJI's focus on modularity and intelligent flight planning ensures that this drone can adapt to complex industrial scenarios. It represents the cutting edge of China's drone manufacturing capabilities, targeting both private and governmental applications. We've discussed drone that fight fires, but what about a drone that can start one? Meet the TF-19 drone, a device that is essentially a specialized flamethrower that can be mounted on various drone models, such as the DJI-S or DJI-M. The TF-19 can project a stream of fire up to 7.5 meters. The nozzle can hold up to 1 gallon of fuel, approximately 3.8 liters. The flamethrower can operate continuously for up to 100 seconds on a full tank. The device is made from ultralight 3K carbon fiber, ensuring a strong yet lightweight construction. While the TF-19 Wasp may seem like an extreme device, it has several practical applications. For instance, it can be used for controlled vegetation burns, clearing fields, or quickly melting snow over large areas or in hard-to-reach locations. In the United States, operating such a drone requires a license and permission from the Federal Aviation Administration. The TF-19's precision targeting and controlled fuel delivery system make it an effective tool for specific tasks requiring controlled fire application. Its robust construction ensures reliability during high-intensity operations. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro continues to define excellence in the prosumer drone category, blending cinematic capabilities with portability. Equipped with a 1-inch complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, it captures 8K video and 20 megapixel photos. The new gimbal stabilization system minimizes shake even during fast pans or windy conditions. O4 real-time kinematic transmission allows a crystal-clear live feed up to 20 kilometers away. Users benefit from 40-minute flight time and full omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Smart shooting modes like Active Track 6.0 and Master Shots simplify capturing dynamic scenes. It also includes a variable aperture for better exposure control in changing light. Dual native ISO boosts low light performance, while high dynamic range video makes colors pop. Though compact, the drone is built with professionals in mind, integrating easily into DJI's editing ecosystem. The Mavic 4 Pro is perfect for content creators who want cinema-grade results without bulky equipment. From travel vlogging to indie film shoots, it remains a gold standard in aerial storytelling tools. American defense company AeroVironment has developed the helicopter drone Vapor 55. The drone is a highly advanced unmanned aerial vehicle designed for various tasks in defense, commercial, and industrial sectors. It stands out for its payload flexibility and extended flight time, making it a leader in the market for unmanned helicopters of its class. The Vapor 55 is built on a helicopter design for high maneuverability and the ability to operate in diverse conditions. The maximum payload capacity of the aircraft reaches up to 22 pounds, allowing for the installation of various types of sensors and cameras for reconnaissance and monitoring purposes. The flight time extends up to 70 minutes at a maximum takeoff weight of 55 pounds, providing extended airborne capability for a wide range of tasks. Control systems include options for autonomous and manual control based on global positioning system, and secure radio systems, ensuring operators maintain a high degree of control over the aircraft in various usage scenarios. The aircraft is successfully used in military operations for reconnaissance, surveillance, and communication support, as well as in commercial inspections of infrastructure and industrial production monitoring. The Mover FAF Quad Morv is an experimental racing drone built not for commercial use, but to push the boundaries of multi-rotor speed. Its latest prototype clocked a record-breaking 408.7 kilometers per hour, placing it among the fastest quadcopters in the world. With a stripped-down carbon frame, 4-cell lithium polymer battery, custom firmware, and overclocked motors, it was engineered purely for acceleration. The drone has a range of about 35 kilometers and a limited flight time, roughly 20 minutes, though sprint performance is the priority. Vibration dampeners and cooling solutions prevent damage to the flight controller during high-G maneuvers. The project, developed by a small team of enthusiasts and engineers, has become a sensation in first-person view racing forums. Unlike typical racing drones, Moviar's design emphasizes raw aerodynamics and linear thrust. It's been used in speed challenges and shared widely on YouTube, helping revive interest in custom-built quadcopters. Though it won't hit store shelves, the FAF Quad Morv is an inspiring example of engineering passion and boundary-pushing innovation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest drone technologies, be sure to subscribe for more cutting-edge updates. Don't forget to leave a like and drop a comment below. What drone impressed you the most, and why? Stay tuned as we continue exploring the future of robotics and innovation.